Hello, I am here to introduce you to this great property here in Florida. This is 6043 Jamestown Park. This is an amazing house, and I'm just stepping inside the door here, so I'm going to turn the camera around so you can actually see the entryway. What a beautiful home this is. Oh my gosh, the wood floors are absolutely stunning. This is in Bay Hill, which is a wonderful golf course community. You may have heard of all the PGA hubbub that went on this last week. Absolutely wonderful. You can take your golf cart right to the golf course. There's also a clubhouse, and they do tons of get-togethers there. They do a Pilates class and book clubs, yoga classes. You've got the swimming and the tennis there. Look at the entertainment here. Oh my gosh, you could have the best party here. It's all open, and then it goes all the way out back. And we're gonna go out back in just a minute, but I want you to take one more look at this kitchen. Look at that breakfast bar. You could entertain, have folks here. You could have your kids up there eating breakfast while you're making your coffee in the morning. It's absolutely wonderful. We've got a couple of glass front shelves there. Back in the hallway, look at this beautiful area here where you could or favorite pictures, but you could also turn that into a little curio or a bar area. That's what you see straight in from the front door. This little hallway here leads to the indoor laundry and the master bedroom, but we're going to take a quick peek out back here. This is such a beautiful lanai. It is completely covered in pavers, which is wonderful. Look at this. You have a little fire pit out here. We're going to go back inside for just a second because I want you to see this door here comes from the master bedroom. But it's all maintenance-free living, which is pretty exciting because who wants to take the time to take care of your yard when you could go out and be golfing and tennis? I love floating in a pool. That would just be fantastic. And the weather in Florida is great, so if you're looking at this from somewhere else where it might be cold, today is the perfect day to be here. Look at this master suite. There's a beautiful sitting area here where you can look out to the lanai, go out straight out there. If you wanted to, you could put a hot tub out here. However, you have so many amenities at the golf course clubhouse. Who needs those? And if you need to soak, hold on. Just wait for this. Look at this beautiful bathroom. 2 sinks here. Look at this. Look at that jetted tub. You could just sit in there and soak and wash all your worries away. And if not, here's a beautiful shower, all done in beautiful tile. They've got a large walk-in closet there to the left. Who wants to see that right now, though? Let's take you over to the guest bath. Here's where your guests will use the facilities if needed. And then here we go into the bedrooms here. These are beautifully sized bedrooms with great carpeting in them. And then they're connected by this Jack and Jill bathroom right here with 2 sinks, not just 1, but 2. And look at that floating cabinet. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Separate room for the shower, which is great. And look at this. They have this room set up as a workout room right now. This would make a great guest room, one for additional children, who knows, but that is right off the entryway. All right, I know I just teased you with a little bit of a photo here or a little video here, but if you'd like to see this, send me a message or call me at 321-689-8339, Michelle Moon, and we've got more details for this out on all of our other media sites. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.